Hello friends, my name is Raghav Kabra and most of you have been following my work on Instagram where I've been posting images since the last many years. And the most common question I get asked over there is how do I scout for such locations and what are the tools I use to help me get those results. So this video is all about which apps do I use and how do I use them, and stick till the very end because there's a very big surprise for you all. So the first app in the list is free app which has paid features also, but the free app is good enough for a lot of people. So it's Stellarium Mobile. This app is basically used to identify all the objects in the night sky, their position. You can identify different constellation, deep sky objects, and it has an AR tool inbuilt in the app which you can just point to any object in the sky and it will help you identify the object. It has some sky cultures features also where you can choose the different civilizations nomenclature where what they used, like Middle Eastern, Arabic, and also you have the Indian constellations and features as such. And then you have some pro tools like calendars and observing tools which are available in the paid app. So yeah, this app is a free version and it's a basic app, but it's good enough for most people. So the second app in this list is Mobile Observatory Pro, and it's one of the most feature rich apps out there, and I highly recommend everyone to use it regardless of your level. Even if you are beginning out to very advanced, this app has almost everything you need and it's all in one place. So as soon as you open this app, you are welcomed with a variety of options, and as you can see there are a lot of different ways you can get information. There's live view, there's sky view, there's even a 3D map of the solar system. If you have 3D goggles, you can use them also to view the real-time position of the planets around the sun. Then there's an events app which will give you detailed information of all the upcoming events. Then you have an separate tab for lunar and solar eclipse. You even have a object database where you can find the information of almost any object out there. Like if we go there and we go to the bright comet section, then we can select the current bright comet G3 atlas and it will give you everything about that. What's its visibility report, which month will it be visible, what time, what's the best time to view it from your location, and everything like that. Then it has a popular objects tab where you can get all the popular planets and popular objects with their visibility report, all in a very concise manner. And another very good feature about this app is it also gives you the current live position of the moons of Jupiter and Saturn. It also has current location and position of the International Space Station to help you plan transits and shots like that. And it has many such features and it is being continuously updated, and you can download the catalogs and all and keep them updated. I highly recommend everyone to use this app. So the third app on the list is a tool mostly geared for photographers because it actually helps you scout locations, which was the main point of the video, and it helps you plan shots. The name of the app is Planit Pro. It has a light version and a paid version. I have the paid version and I'll be showing you the paid version. So this app actually helps you to scout locations for shooting awesome Milky Ways and star trails. Almost all my shots have used this app to get the exact position of the Milky Way, the exact rise and set time, and where it will be visible and what is the darkness in that location. So as you can see, this app has many tabs and we'll start with the Milky Way tab. So this will tell you where the Milky Way, currently the Milky Way is not visible in the night, but it will tell you exactly from your location where the Milky Way is. If I just set it to a different time, like I'll just set it to March 50 March, and it will exactly, as you can see on the screen, it will exactly tell me how the Milky Way is rising and setting and what's the position of the moon in respect to the Milky Way. The best feature about this app is the calendar, which can tell you basically if the Milky Way is there without the moon, so and how many hours will you get Milky Way without the moon at a given particular night. As you can see on the app for March 2025, it's very easy. 2 dot means Milky Way is visible for more than 2 hours without the moon, and 3 dot means Milky Way is visible for more than 4 hours without the moon. So basically you need to plan your shots on days where there are 3 dots or 2 dots, so it's very handy to just get an overview of when you need to plan your shots. Basically you avoid the dates where there is no dot, because the moon will be there with the Milky Way and it will be light polluted. Another very big feature of this app is light pollution. This app gives an overlay on the maps about the light pollution and what's the sky quality in that region. So as you can see, you can select database you want to use. There are different database. World Atlas is up to date till 2015, and if you want to use the latest one, you use visible infrared image radiometer, which I am using. It's updated till 2023. So you get an exact overview of the light pollution, and you want to avoid the orange and yellow parts, and you want to find locations which are black or green because they have less light pollution. I stay near Nagpur. You can see Nagpur is a big city. I have to go more than 40-50 kilometers. The best part about staying in central India is we have tiger reserves all around us. So in any direction, if I travel 40-50 kilometers, we have jungles. My go-to feature of this app is I just go to a location, and I know the Milky Way is in always the south direction, so I do not care about the pollution in the north side. I just care about the south side pollution. And as you can see, if I click in this direction, there is jungle to south of me, so I know there will be minimum light pollution. So I just select any location around here, and I use Google Maps, which is the 4th app in the list, and I use Google Maps in conjunction with Planit Pro. I find a location with Planit Pro, and then I scout around and see the satellite view through Google Maps and how exactly reach that location. I use Google Maps. So coming to the last app, which is a general purpose app, but it is actually useful to check the weather. Now weather can be checked through many apps, but this app on the list is useful for checking the cloud cover, because it has only a delay of 15 minutes and it almost gives you real-time cloud information of any area. So this app is Zoom Earth, which has a website also and a mobile app also. It just shows you the cloud cover in the region and the wind patterns. So it helps you plan where the clouds are moving, or if the clouds are going to come to your location. And as such, as you can see, it's currently very clear all over India, but it's very helpful when there's monsoon time and as such. So this is the part where I talk about the surprise which I talked earlier in the video. So I'm actually doing a giveaway of a paid app. So hit subscribe and write in the comment on which app do you want as subscription, whether it's Mobile Observatory Pro or the Planit Pro, and one lucky winner will be chosen and I will be giving the app for free. So hit the subscribe, go in the comments, like the video and share it.